And let's see, oh, we can do a candy cane. We'll do a candy cane, and because this dough I can actually form with my hands, I'm actually going to take it and roll it. Instead of piping a candy cane, I'm going to model it. Just roll. Use a little flour to help you out. Okay. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the plain, the white. Again, a little flour on my hands. Oh, I need to give my bunny eyes. Okay, so we can put the two of these together, and then we can kind of roll them up, twist them around, like so. And you have a candy cane. Don't worry if it breaks a little bit, because you can just plop it back together again. It's kind of a big one, but they're very fast to do. A little bit of green for the holly leaf. And some of the, we can do pink ones, little pink berries. Well, that'll be different. There you go. A couple pink berries for the holly leaves. I forgot to give my bunny some eyes. So I've got the blue and the number 4. There we go. You can also use the confetti for that, except they'd be kind of big. There we go. All right, so we've got the candy canes. Let's see, what else do we want? Oh, we can do a duck. The yellow is the duck. So a duck, again, with a number 12 tip. And yellow, we're going to pipe the body first, which is a big shell. So squeeze really hard, build it up, come back, and taper with the pressure. Okay, and you can flatten that body down a little bit. The head is just a round circle, so straight up and down and pressure. Got that a little off to the side, didn't I? Let's get his tail up a little bit. It's nice because you can, if you didn't pipe it quite right, you can just move it. Okay, and then a little wing. And then a little, get a little beak. And do a little orange for the beak. I'll just model it. How about that? And a little blue eye. And you got a ducky. You can do turkeys. Let's see, what else? We can do a bell. Let me change my color to blue. My blue, I can do a bell. Oops. So we'll change to a number 12 tip. Get rid of the excess. There we go. A bell is just light pressure on the top with the number 12. Come down and then kind of go around like so. And then you can add a clacker, or in our case, we're just going to add a little sequin there, little sequins, and you can do 2 bells together. So you can actually do another one here. Light pressure, come down heavier, and then go around. It's nice because you can adjust it. And you can put like a bow on the top together. It's kind of funny, the decorating you can do with the cookie dough. Okay, so there's some.